Hello, my laser scanning peeps. I'm here with the XTOOL S1 and my iPad Pro running XTOOL Creative Space. Today, we will go over how to turn individual items on or off in order to print just one item from your project in a burn job. Let's pop over to Creative Space and get started. Let's say we're working with this circle and you want to burn a couple letters. Maybe the letter A, maybe the letter B, not sure. So if we want to do A, we drag it into our project and then we set the A as our output. Touch on the A and right here you'll see output. Touch on the B and you'll also see output. To turn burning off for the letter B, simply press output until the slider goes left. Now you're only burning letter A. Another way to do this is to touch this layer icon right here. From the object list, we can turn things on and off for this burning job. For example, touch text and you'll see B is now highlighted. Over here, you'll see text is set to output. In order to not burn it in this job, simply touch it and let it slide left. This, letter B, is now turned off for the current burn job. Touch on the next one, this one right here, you'll see A is highlighted and output is turned on. In order to confirm it's doing what you want, simply touch process. And here you'll see only the A is showing. If I press back, touch on text, highlight B, turn it on, press process, you'll see it now shows letter A and B. Let's go back again, turn off B, and we'll burn just the letter A. And there we have it. We've only burned the letter A. Let's say we now want to burn the letter B next to it. Leaving everything as it is, we would press confirm and move the B where we want it. We already know where the A is, so we can place the B in an appropriate position. Here again, on the Layer tab, highlight the letter B and tap the text slider to output. Do the same over here for the letter A, only this time we tap to turn it off. Go ahead and press process. Here you will see it's only burning the B. If you'd like to confirm, simply press framing and you can watch the laser frame out the B. Looks good. Go ahead and press start. And there it is, burned one at a time, the letter A and the letter B. By repeating this process, turning A back on and B back off, you can burn a second pass on just the A. And there it is, we've burned the letter A and the letter B independently using the XTOOL Creative Space mobile app. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.